Jasmine, no. 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 She's learning my voice commands. It takes a while, but I've been working with her a lot. She still strikes at you, but she doesn't hurt you. But she's learning voice commands, finally. She doesn't like the camera, though.
Blame her.
So I'm going to come see it. I'm going to come see that thing. She's trying to come back to me. I don't know why it flash came on. I didn't have it set to come on, but that's okay. I'm so proud of her. First shed since I got her was perfect. Jasmine, what are you doing? I start working with them when they're babies. They know what no means. They know what stop means. Brian Costco, excuse me. He complains when people call him Cusco. But, yeah, he learned while he was here that they do understand voice commands. You have to work with them on it, though. It's not something you expect to happen real quick. That's really, really... That's better. That's better. I can see her better now. Huh. You done now?
Until I put my hand out.
She's getting really long. She's filling out nice. Look, Jasmine, no.
Be nice to me.
No.
Be nice to me, you butthead. Come on. Ah!
Jasmine, no.
Let go.
No.
Let go.
Jasmine, thank you.
She had me hooked pretty good.
She's got a good bite. A real good bite on her.
Not quite enough to draw blood yet. But...
No, I want to get her out of that habit before her teeth are developed enough to draw blood. Be a good girl.
You need to calm yourself down there, Chicky.
He's letting... Don't keep running her through your fingers because you're controlling her. Let her move.
She is moving.
She is, but he's doing it with his fingers. Let her make the choice.
She's got me hooked.
There you go. Now you got it. Let her move.
She's hooked on me.
Now, those little semi-arboreal tails are real strong. Prehensile tail.
Mm-hmm.
Chewy can hold his old weight by the end of his tail. I've seen him do it a lot of times. It's kind of creepy. As big as he is, but he can do it. See? Good girl. We're learning.
Lily's over here being all curious.
Well, the trick is they learn at a young age that biting you doesn't make you go away, and it doesn't scare you off. It doesn't intimidate you, so they stop using it as a defense against you. That's why my snakes aren't biters. Because I trained them from a young age to know that. It doesn't make you leave. It doesn't scare you off, so why waste my energy to bite that person? It's senseless.
What do you want, Lily? What? Go.
Now she's exploring. She's beautiful, isn't she?
I love her colors.
Yeah. The black in her mouth's fading a little bit, too, I noticed last night when she was biting me.
Her colors remind me of chocolate milk.
Well, she's a caramel. Yeah. Lily, no, she doesn't get near them because she likes to head bop them all.
Head bop?
Yeah.
Like smack them in the head, you mean?
Boop their snoots.
Like this.
Boop. Yeah, she's getting used to it.
Oh, like her children.
After you hold her for a little while, she calms down. That's the trick to it. You got to do it often instead of once a month. Once a month just doesn't work. So you have to do it on a regular basis. She's out. I have her out 4 days a week working with her. So she's learning. But every time I take her out, she musks me and pees on me. But she'll quit doing that too eventually. They get excited. People think it's aggressive behavior, but it's not. They get excited. Something new to them. And that's how they react to it, by musking you and urinating on you. It's because they get excited as babies. See how calm she is now? What a difference
She's
in less...
still after that camera.
What a difference in a half an hour, huh?
Yeah.
Just beautiful. She came from Travis Johnson. He's a good snake guy, real good snake guy. I found her on Morph Market through Travis. She's beautiful. I love her to death. She's eating regularly. She's eating good. Excreting waste perfectly. Exceptionally well on me when I pick her up. That's how they react when they get excited. It is a defense mechanism, but it's not always in defense. It's because they get excited. See what a difference in a few minutes?
She really wants that camera.
She wants to come back to me, is what she wants to do. They all had that bond with me. They'll let someone hold them for a little while, but they always look for me and want to come back to me. If you really love me, you wouldn't pee on me and musk me, though, when I pick you up. She's beautiful, isn't she? I promised everybody I'd do an update video on her, how she's growing and developing. She's doing real good. Her colors are beautiful. Hi, Jasmine.
Super strong.
Yeah, she is. Hi, Jasmine. She's happy. She's content. Her first shed since I got her was a perfect shed, so I have no complaints. That means her environment's perfect for her. So yeah, she's a beautiful baby. I love getting them from babies and teaching them to trust people. I think it's so gratifying to earn a snake's trust. You just can't beat it. You're a wiggle worm's what you are. You done now? You done? You're making my camera blur. There you go. Now she's just exploring. See, she's no longer in straight posture. That's because now her curiosity has got the best of her. Now she wants to know what everything is. Don't you? But she's learning. They have to learn. They aren't born knowing that you can be trusted. They have to learn that through handling. This is pretty good. I think you got enough friend there, Ben.
I will make friends with them all.
And Grumpy's another whole ball game. I'm nosy. I don't know about all that. There, see? Life's not so bad being a baby snake, is it? See, life's not so bad being a baby. See? That's all it takes. Just a little bit of handling and a little bit of trust. You know what the big thing is with snakes? Giving them the freedom to express themselves. And they can't do that if you don't ever take them out. Let them roam around a little bit. I mean, what's there to learn living in a locked cage all the time? Nothing. You keep getting right up on my camera so it's blurring your pretty face. There we go. Yeah. She's a wiggle worm today. You hold still for a minute there, Missy. Yeah. But I just want to do an update on Jasmine. I was going to do it yesterday, but there was a lot going on here, and I was really tired, so I don't usually take them out and work with them when I'm overtired, because I like to be alert. Hey, Carla again. Walk up to her.
Hold on, I'm trying to get my boots off. My feet hurt.
You gotta stop attacking Carla. Oh my goodness.
Why though?
Mm-hmm. No.
Really?
Be sure and tell her no when she does it. No,
No.
Jasmine.
No.
Jasmine, no.
Be nice to me, turd.
No.
She knows what no means already. Put your hand out, Carla. Tell her no.
No.
No, Jasmine.
No.
No. That was a gentle one. Oh, after you moved away, she went, look at her striking at your butt. Jasmine, no.
No. No. No.
No, Jasmine.
Be nice. We went through this already.
Thank you.
You were over it once. Get over it again.
See, they're not stupid animals. People think they're dumb. They're not dumb at all.